Now I'm gonna show you how to install Windows Server 2016 on VMware Workstation Pro. I'm going to use VMware Workstation Pro 15.5 version. So first we do create new virtual, and then we can customize this, or we can go with the typical one, which is like um, Workstation 15 compatible. So I'll go with the custom one because I like to see what's going on there. Like if I go keep 15, then it's like compatible with Fusion 11 and Workstation 15 only. So I go here and I have a folder here, Server 2016, and I'll click OK. And next, I'll leave the that's recommended, so I don't want to change it. We can increase here to get like better performance. We can increase the number of cores per processor, so we can have like 4 processor. I'll leave this 2 gig of RAM. That will be network address translation. No, this is recommended, and that's the only option we have to. Okay, it's not recommended. Next, create a virtual disk now because we are just creating it. Store it as a single file. I don't want to allocate this 20 gigs from my hard disk right now. It will. Okay, so 20 gig of disk file will be created using the file name. This will be the file name. That's Windows Server 2016.vmdk file. So next, this is the summary on what we are going to get. We can go customize it, but I'm not gonna do it for now. Finish. Let's see. Give me this error message. Windows cannot find the Microsoft software license terms. Make sure the installation sources are valid and restart the installation. So to avoid this, I will make some changes during installation, and I have to do it again. So I'll click OK. I don't really need this one. I'll power it off, and then I will start new installation. I have to go to OK. Let's go again. All the steps, but one thing will. I'll make one change. I don't need to install the disk image right now, so I have to choose that I will install the operating system later. So next, that's Microsoft Windows. That's Windows Server 2016. We can choose whatever we want according to, it can be Linux, whatever, but now it's Microsoft Windows, and from Microsoft Windows it's Windows Server 2016. Next, Windows Server, this is where I want to store it. Like the virtual machine should be like in this folder of my hard disk. Next, I like to increase the processors here. Next, I'll go with 2 gigs of RAM. The network is nuts. Next, next, create a virtual disk now. A new virtual disk. Store it as a single file, and 20 gigs of memory. Next, this will be created. Next, Yeah, this is the summary. If we need to customize, we can go and customize whatever we want. For example, I'll remove the printer because I don't need the printer, and remove, and we can see what we got here. I'm okay for now. This demo is just for installation, so finish. Here we go. It's created, but yet we don't have the ISO file from where it is going to boot. So we need that ISO file, or the Windows Server 2016 CD and DVD. Here use ISO image file, then browse it. We go to where we kept the ISO file. This is where what we got from Microsoft Windows official website. Then OK, power on the virtual machine. Okay, loading. It will take some time, so I'll be back when it's almost done. I'll cut the video for now. So we have to go with desktop experience. Second one, it's the standard Windows Server. Next, yeah, this was what, like the one which was missed on the previous installation. So this gave us this license term agreement. So we accept that and we go next. Custom installation. Then next. Here we go. So it will take 100%. So it's installing some features, additional features. Install some updates, and we'll finish the setup. So we'll restart it now. Okay, it's ready. Okay, we'll put password for the like admin password, and finish. So it's telling us to press Ctrl Alt Delete. If we press on the keyboard, it will send the Ctrl Alt Delete to the host machine. So instead of sending to directly send to the virtual machine to our Windows Server 2016, we have an option here. It says send Ctrl Alt plus Delete to this virtual machine. So we do that, and then it will go there. Put that password. This is not full screen. To make it full screen, uh, we need to install virtual machine VMware tools. So you go here from VM. Okay, run setup. It's preparing VMware tools for installation. We'll give it some time, then we will be good to go. Next. Complete. Next, install. So it's gone full screen now. Oh, didn't ask me to restart. Okay, so we have to restart it to get it done. It's restarting and it's full screen now. Mm-hmm. Here we go. Our Windows Server 2016 is ready now. We got this dashboard and we are ready to use it. We are ready to configure the server and then use it for whatever purpose we need. See you in the next video.